This tabletop feature allows you to record a scene you have already constructed or capture the process of building a scene. In this demonstration, we will record the process of building a scene. To begin recording, click the menu icon and navigate to the Start Recording option. This will open the screen recording settings. Here, you can configure various recording options. For instance, you can select the frame rate, which defaults to 15 frames per second, an ideal setting for most recordings. Additionally, you can choose to include a custom audio file as background audio. To do this, simply toggle the option on, click the Choose button, and select an MP3 or WAV file to use. Alternatively, you can record audio using your microphone. Enable this option by toggling it on. Then select your microphone device from the drop-down menu. For this example, we will keep the microphone enabled. Another customization option is the use of a watermark. By default, when the watermark feature is toggled on, your company's logo will be applied to the recording. However, you can customize the watermark by enabling the Custom Watermark option and selecting the desired image file. For this demonstration, we will use the default logo and disable the watermark customization option. If the watermark is enabled, you can further customize its placement on the screen, its opacity, and its size as a proportion of the screen. You can also specify the destination folder where the recording will be saved. Once all the desired settings are configured, simply click the Start Recording button to begin. When recording starts, a pulsating red border will appear around the screen to indicate that the recording is in progress. At this point, you can proceed to construct your scene. If you have enabled microphone recording, you can also describe your actions and narrate the process as you work. When you are satisfied with the recording, click the menu icon again and select Stop Recording. The recording will stop, and an MP4 video file will be created. This file will undergo post-processing until it reaches 100% completion. Once processed, the recording will appear in the recordings repository as the most recent entry. From the repository, you can play the video, share it, save it to disk, or delete it. The repository also provides relevant details about the recording, such as whether voice recording was enabled, whether the watermark was applied, and the file size on disk.